Every indie hacker hits this exact wall and then goes off to learn sales. You're not bad at building, you're invisible. The people who would pay for your thing exist right now. 6,000 of them if we are being specific. You just have no way to see them. So you go shopping, a data tool, an enrichment tool, a sequencer, a CRM. 4 subscriptions before you get a reply. Here's the shortcut. Open Google and search Apollo MCP. First result is the one you want, apollo.io/product/MCP. MCP is the Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a plug. Your AI already has words, a plug gives it verbs. And Apollo puts 230 million verified business contacts behind that plug. Setup is one line and the line is on the screen. In Claude Desktop or ChatGPT, it is a connector instead. Same URL, click allow. No API key anywhere, it is OAuth, so it just borrows the account you already have. And the free plan works, you do not need to buy anything to try this. If you want the rest of your go-to-market automated like this, then subscribe. Because the rest of this video is one loop, find, enrich, reach, and measure. Now the fun part, you describe your customer in plain English. Developer tool companies, 11 to 200 people, based in the US, raise somewhere between $2 and $230 million. That sentence becomes a real structured query. 6,208 companies come back. You never opened a filter panel, you never wrote a single line of SQL. That is step 1, find. Step 2 is where everybody thinks it is broken. Search gives you a name and a company. It does not give you an email. That is deliberate. Contact details are a separate verb called enrich. You point it at the handful of people you actually want, and it returns a verified email and a direct dial. This is a part that costs credits. 1 person, 1 credit. So the whole game is being picky before you spend. Step 3, you still have not left the chat. You ask it to write the sequence, 3 emails, 4 days apart. You read them, you fix the one that sounds like a robot, and then you enroll the list. The thing that used to be a $99 a month tool is now a sentence. Step 4 is the one people skip, and it is the only one that compounds. You ask it how the campaign did, opens, replies, meetings booked. Your first sequence is going to do about 2%, mine did even worse. But now the loop is short enough to actually run. Change one variable, ask again, that is the whole job. And once all 4 words live in the same window, you can chain them. One prompt every Monday, find the companies that just raced around. Enrich the head of engineering, put them in the sequence, then tell me what last week's replies did. That is not a lookup table anymore. That is a go-to-market engine. And it is running in a chat window on a free plan, right next to your code. 3 honest things before you go and break something. 1. The MCP cannot do anything your Apollo account cannot already do. Permissions carry over. 2. Enrichment is real money. Credits burn fastest when you're lazy with your filters. 3. Please do not email 6,000 people. That is how you get your sending domain torched in a week. Narrow always beats big. 50 of the right people is a business. So here's the thing to actually take away. The product was never the hard part. Distribution was. And distribution just turned into something you can type.